My command is to examine the feet and do the relevant. Thanks for the command. On examination of the feet, there are multiple violations to erythematous, round to oval, scaly plaques present on both dorsa of the feet, predominantly on the proximal part, lateral surface, and on the toes. Few of them are giving typical targetoid appearance with area of central dusky erythema, surrounding rim of pallor and outer ring of erythema. And few of them have coalesced to form the larger plaques, largest measuring about 3 into 4 centimeter. The plaques are non-tender, slightly warm, blanchable on diascopy, non-indurated. Pulses are palpable and comparable. Sensations appear to be normal and intact. Pedial edema is not present. Limb girth appears to be normal. Limb girth appears to be equal on both limbs. Interdigital spaces and soles of the feet do not show any positive relevant finding. I would look for similar lesions on palm of the hands, on dorsa of the hands, and on upper limbs, on the face, on the neck, and on the trunk. On relevant examination, I would like to look for scalp, for any similar lesions, or for lupus hair. I would like to examine the eyes for visual acuity or any signs of inflammation. I would like to examine the oral cavity for any targetoid lesions on the oral on the lips, and any signs of infection like herpetic gingivostomatitis or sore throat in the oral cavity. I would like to examine cervical lymph node, axillary lymph node, and inguinal lymph nodes for any lymphadenopathy, keeping in mind lymphoma or paraneoplastic pemphigus. I would like to auscultate the chest to look for any signs of pneumonia. I would like to look for abdominal tenderness and also for the hepatosplenomegaly. Then I would like to seek examiner's permission in order to examine the genitalia to look for any signs of inflammation or any targetoid lesions. On the basis of my examination, my top differential would be erythema multiforme due to insect bite reaction, any infection or drug reaction. Second differential would be Rowell syndrome. Third differential would be arterial vasculitis, and fourth one would be paraneoplastic pemphigus. Thank you.